Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are welcome to the class 1 of this training. The first class we have Al-Madatu. That's what we call Al-Lughatul Arabiyyah. Al-Madatu is subject. What we are having is Arabic language. Al-Lughatu Al-Arabiyyah. Al-Mawdu'u, topic. The first topic we want to treat is Al-Asma'u Al-Ishara. Al-Asma'u Al-Isharatu, that is what we call demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun. Ad-Darsul Awwal. This is the lesson 1. You know, demonstrative pronoun in English, you have some pronouns that we use when we want to demonstrate to some things. For example, we have this is a book. Your this is demonstrative pronoun. That is my bag. Your that is demonstrative pronoun. The same thing we have in Arabic. So the first thing, if you want to construct sentences in Arabic, the first thing you have to understand is al-asma'u al-ishara. We have demonstrative pronoun. Please, let's understand this chart very well. We have mufrad, singular. Muthanna, dual. Dual, that is two. Jam'u, plural. We have all these. You know, for anything in Arabic, you have, in English, what you just have used, the same thing used for dual, used for plural. But in Arabic, you have singular, you have dual, and in Arabic, we have singular separate, dual separate, then plural separate. Then you look at this place, we have mudhakkar. Mudhakkar, that is masculine or masculine as you may call it. You have mu'annath, feminine or feminine as you may call it. You have mudhakkar, mu'annath, masculine, feminine. Then you come here, we have qarib. These two, they are for this qarib. Qarib means for near objects. What we use for near objects. Then we have ba'id. You have for far objects. We will understand this when it comes to the application. But this is the meaning of the chart we are seeing on the board. So the first thing we have here, under mufrad mudhakkar, you see something that is singular. It is singular. Then it is dual. It is masculine. Singular, masculine. You say hada. 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 Singular, dual. For example, you see a book. You want to say this is a book in English. Then in Arabic you say hada daftarun. Hada daftarun. Hada daftarun. That is the application. You see hada. Are we following? Then under feminine, if something is feminine, you have hadhihi. Hadhihi for feminine. Hadhihi. Hada for masculine. Hadhihi for feminine. These two are singular. As we may see, they fall under mufrad. Then we come here, we take the muthanna. We take the muthanna. Which is dual. You have hadani. Hadani. You are talking of two now. Hadani kitabani. These are two books. These are two books. Are we getting it? So hadani kitabani. We have this. But when it comes to mu'annath, you say hatani. Hatani kitabani. Hatani, therefore feminine. For example, you have mil'aqatun, which is spoon. Mil'aqatun. 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 You see, mil'aqatun. Before we move from here, let me explain something. Before you know that a noun is masculine or feminine, for now, let's know it as any noun that ends with this ta, closed ta, is a feminine. Any noun that ends with ta like this is a feminine. Then you now say هذه ملعقة. But when you just have ordinary noun like kitabun, kitabun, you can see that here you have, this one does not end with ta. So then you say hada kitabun. You can see hada kitabun. Hadihi mil'aqatun. This is a spoon. This is a book. Are we following? So when it comes to dual, we are still coming to how to change a noun from singular to dual, then to plural. But for now, this is the table. So when you have a dual noun, you say hadani if it is masculine. If you have feminine, you say hatani. Then this one, they have the same plural. This one you say haulai. Haulai. The same thing here, you say haulai. You can see. You have haulai, you have haulai from these two. So you can now see that what we have done here, they are all referring to what? Qarib. If you are referring to something that is very close to you. For example, you have a book with you, you have a small book with you, you can just say hada kitabun. You have a small book with you, you can say hada kitabun. You see that this book is very close to you. The book is not far from you. You say hada kitabun. So this is what we are saying. So all these ones, they use them for near objects. They use them for near objects. Now, let's come here to far objects. If object is far from you, then what do we use to that? What do we use for that? If object is far, for masculine singular, you say ذلك. Masculine singular, you say ذلك. Masculine, feminine singular, you say tilka. Tilka. You can see this is feminine singular. The book is far from you, you say ذلك كتاب. ذلك بيت. Are we getting it now? Something is far from you, you can say, let's say sayyaratun. For example, sayyaratun, car. You say sayyaratun, you say tilka sayyaratun. That is a car. Tilka sayyaratun. You can see that you are referring to something that is far from you. So here, then when it comes to dual, here you say dhanika. Dhanika. Here you say dhanika. So as you are changing, don't forget, as you are changing your demonstrative pronoun from singular to dual, you will be changing your noun too from dual, singular to dual, from dual to plural. So if you are referring to something too, that means the demonstrative pronoun you will use will be for two things. So here, dual feminine, you say tanika. You can see tanika. When it comes to plural, they have the same plural as well. You have ulaika. Ulaika. The same thing here for feminine. If they are much, you have the feminine are much. You have many females somewhere. You can say ulaika. Here you still say ulaika. Now all these ones, they are for far objects. All these ones, they are for far objects. All these ones, they are for far objects, something that is far from you. And for now, this is where we are going to stop. We are going to end this class here. We pray may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy till we meet in our next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.